Hate math, love Excel. I hear many students say, I am not a math person. And because Excel is full of numbers, some people are automatically put off by the application. My answer to this phobia is to let Excel help you with your math and learn some basic design tips. Let's talk about built-in templates. I like to point students to the built-in templates in Excel for a quick introduction to the usefulness of the software application. Here is how they work. From the File menu, choose New, and then browse the pre-made templates. Notice the categories available. From here you can type in the search box or explore the categories of templates available. Let's try out a simple template to calculate the monthly payment on a loan you might be considering for a car. Assume you want to buy a car and the price is $13,000 for a 2013 model. An interest rate of 5% has been quoted by your lender if you have good credit. Assume you can get 90% of the cost of the car financed. Before you visit the lender, you want to see what your monthly payment will be and how long it will take to pay off your car. Search for the simple loan calculator and fill in the information. Here we found the loan calculator and amortization table. That one will work. We've selected the template and now hit create. So we want to fill in the information we spoke of. So the loan amount is $13,000 at an annual rate of 5%. And we haven't decided on how long to have the loan, but let's say 5 years. And that we're going to start the loan on May 1st. Next, Excel, the template, calculates your monthly payment and also fixes an amortization schedule and shows you how much you are paying in principal and interest along the way and what your ending balance is along the way. Notice here that you are paying a total interest of $1,700 about, and the total cost of your loan then would be $14,719. All right, so this gives you some starting places to work with and to play a little bit of what if with your figures and your loan. So now remember I mentioned that you were able to get a loan for 90% of the cost of the car. So we put in $13,000, but really we can only get a loan for 90% of $13,000. So just over here on the side, we're going to click into a cell and we're going to make that calculation so we know what 90% is. Whenever you are doing a formula in Excel, you start with an equal sign, and we're just going to take our mouse and click on the 13,000, and we're going to divide by with the slash, multiply by with the asterisk 90%, 0.9 or 90% sign. So the loan that we are allowed to get is $11,700. Let's plug that number back in there instead of the 13 and see the difference in our monthly payment, our total interest, and whatnot. So now, before we go to the lender, we're still looking at our monthly payment, and we're thinking to ourselves that we could maybe afford more than $220 a month and maybe pay off this loan in a shorter period of time. So let's just play around with the loan period in years, and let's see what would happen if we put in a 3-year loan. All right, so now we would be paying $350 a month for our payment for a total of 36 payments. And look at the difference in the interest. We would only be paying $923 in interest rather than the $1,700 we were looking at prior.